Our go for launch. The countdown now turned over to the control of the launch vehicle test conductor for the last 4 minutes of the count. We'll go on an automatic sequence starting at 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Final communications checks now in progress between the spacecraft test conductor and the crew aboard the spacecraft. Some final checks in progress at this time. We have the report that we are clear for firing command. That is the automatic sequencer that should come in about 15 seconds. From that time on down, all aspects of the mission will be automatic, monitored by the computers here in the control center and at the pad. 310, we have firing command. Launch sequence start. The computer is in. The sequence is in at this time. Mark, T-minus 3 minutes. T-minus 3 minutes and counting. Our preparation is now complete. Already lights are on here in the control center. During this period, the various propellant tanks aboard the 3 stages of the Saturn V will be pressurizing. Primarily, we use helium on the ground to pressurize these tanks. The various vent valves will close as the countdown proceeds. We've now passed 2 minutes, 35 seconds and counting, all still going well. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. We should be getting an indication on pressurization of the 3rd stage. We have it here in the control center, 2 minutes, 20 seconds and counting. The 3rd stage now is pressurized. We'll be looking toward those 5 engines in the 1st stage of the Saturn V. The ignition sequence to start at the 8.9 second mark in the countdown. We're now coming up on the 2 minute mark. Mark, T-minus 2 minutes and counting. T-minus 2, all aspects of the mission still go at this time. The Apollo 9 crew standing by in the spacecraft. 1 minute, 50 seconds and counting. Once the ignition sequence does begin with the 5 engines, it'll take some 9 seconds or so to build up the proper thrust. The computers will automatically sample those engines and assure ourselves that we have 95% of the thrust. We will get a commit at that time, and the 4 hold-on arms will come back. We're now 90 seconds and counting. 90 seconds and counting. Vice President Agnew now has come up to the window here in the Launch Control Center along with members of the party to view the launch. 1 minute, 20 seconds and counting. All indications are we are still go at this time. 3rd stage propellant tanks have been pressurized. Final check of several panels by lunar module pilot Rusty Schweikert. 2nd stage tanks now pressurized. Schweikert confirms that he has the proper readings. 1 minute and counting. T-minus 55 seconds and counting, all still going well. We're coming up on the power transfer. Mark, 50 seconds and counting. We're now on internal power with the 3 stages and instrument unit of the Saturn V. All propellant tanks in the 2nd stage now pressurized. 35 seconds and counting. The vehicle now completely pressurized. The vents closed. We are go. 30 seconds and counting. T-minus 25 seconds and counting. All aspects still go at this time as the computer monitors. 20 seconds. Guidance release 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. We have ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engines running. Commit. Liftoff. We have liftoff at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Roll
Plus 17.
Program is in.
Roll and pitch program are in now to put Apollo 9 on the proper flight, azimuth, and attitude. Half a mile high. Roll is complete.